right. Next, 1.3. Exercise number 1.3. From this exercise, we might expect 2 marks, and also bits type of questions are very important. Before this, you have to understand what is decimal expansion: terminating, non-terminating. In case of non-terminating, it is non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. First, it is terminating. What is terminating? Please excuse me on my writing. So that's why I am telling the word along with writing, so you can understand it in a better way. First one, it is terminating. Next, it is non-terminating. Non-terminating. In case of non-terminating, two terms are there: non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Second, non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So these are the basic क्या बोलते decimal expansion. So these are decimal expansion. One of the decimal expansion is terminating. Terminate in the sense जो तुम लोग के साथ हो गया था, terminate हो गया था स्कूल से. So that is how terminating, खत्म. Terminating in the sense khatam, decimal expansion, it is no more extending, that is terminating. Second, non-terminating, that means it is not completed. If it is not completed, there are two possibilities: only single number is repeating, different numbers are repeating. Non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. For example, let us take the example of terminating. If I am dividing 13 by 2, I am dividing 13 by 2, 13 by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. If I subtract, I will get 1.0. 2 5s are 10. So what is the type of decimal expansion here? Terminating. After 1 point, it got terminated. So that is terminating. Next, non-terminating. If I divide 11 by 9, for example, 11 by 9, right? 9 1 is 9. If I subtract, I'll have 2.0. 9 2s are 18. If I subtract 2.0, 9 2s are 18. 2. Is it terminating? No, 2 is coming. So it is non-terminating. But in non-terminating, two categories are there. If only same number is repeating again and again, that is non-terminating, repeating. If different numbers are coming, for example, this is 1.2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, so on like this. So this is non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. This is terminating. Non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So now in the bits it will ask, this terminating and non-terminating repeating comes under rational numbers. So these two are rational. Non-terminating, non-repeating is irrational. Non-terminating, non-repeating is irrational. Example of irrational numbers are pi and e. These numbers can be considered as examples of irrational numbers. We have discussed already in 9th class also. Those who were here will understand this in a better way. So this is about basic terminal expansions. So now we have to write the following rational number in the decimal form and also state which of the following is terminating, which is non-terminating. From the first we have to do division and tell whether it is terminating at non-terminating. For example, first question, 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8. We can easily do that. Divide 3 by 8. In 8 table is 3 there. 8 1 is only 3. 8 1 is only 8. 8 1 is 8, which is bigger than 3. That's why what do? We put a point, take a 0. Right? Take a 0. Is 30 there in 8? 8 3 is 30. Yes, very good. No, it is not. You said yes. 8 3 is 24 is right answer, but then you said yes. It is not yes. No, we do not have 30. If 30 is not there, we'll take the number which is lesser than 30. What is it? 8 3s are? Do we have 30? Yes, 8 3s are 24. So 8 3s are 24. After subtracting, we'll have 6. Point is already there. Take a 0. 8 7 is 63. 8 6 54. 8 7 is 56. 8 7 is 56. Yes, you are right. 8 7 are 56. Just now I made, just now I made fun of you. I got trapped into the same. Yes, 8 7s are 56. If I subtract, I'll have 4 over here. Point is already there, 0. 8 5s are 40. So while you are trying to find the decimal expansion, in general while doing division we will stop after 2 decimals. However, in this case you have to try even a bit further. I mean two or three more digits you have to check, because after 7 we generally stop after 2 digits, but here in this case you shouldn't do that. So decimal expansion 3 by 8 is nothing but 0.375. Is it terminating or non-terminating? Terminating. So terminating in the sense, is it rational or irrational? Rational. Next, another example I'll take from this textbook. 8 divided by 125. 8 divided by 125. 8 divided by 125. We have to divide 8 by 125. Right. Is 8 there in 125? No. First, if I put a point, I'll take a 0. Still it is smaller. Then one more point. We have to take 0 and take a 0 here. 800. We have to check 800 in 125. 125, 1 is 125. 2s are 250. 125 2s are 250. 4s are 500. 125 4s are 500. 8s you take 500. From 8s it will become 1000. 500 ka double, it will become 1000. That's why we are not taking 8 by 7. Will check 125 into 7. 7 5s 35. 7 2s plus 3 7 1 plus 1 8. 857. It is bigger. So 125 into 6. 5 6 30. 6 2 plus 3 6 1 is plus 1 750. By what number? 6. 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा? 750. 50 रुपया. 50 is remain. Point is already there. Take 0. 500 just now we check, no? By what number it was going? 500. 4s. 125. 4 is 500. It is 0.064. It is terminating rational. Till now, all good. If the question is given and it is asked either it is terminating or non-terminating, well and good, you will do the division. After 3-4 points, you will get to know is it terminating or non-terminating. But in the question, look at the second question. He clearly mentioned that you have to tell whether it is terminating or non-terminating without dividing. You have to tell whether it is terminating or non-terminating without dividing. How can you be able to say that it is terminating or non-terminating without dividing? 2 into 5 power. Understood the question? In the first question, whatsoever we have to divide, that fraction is given, you will do that basic division and you will get to know is it terminating or not. But if he has clearly mentioned that without dividing, very important 2 marks question, without dividing you have to tell, without dividing whether it is terminating or not. How can you tell that? Denominator, prime factor you take and it should be, what is it? Right. What is the first question? I'll let you know. What is the first one? 13 divided by 3125. 3125. See, if we are allowed to do the division, we'll take 13, we'll put a point 0, whatever it is, we'll do basic division and we'll get to know whether it is terminating or not. But in the question, he has clearly mentioned that you are not supposed to divide. Without dividing, you have to do. So in this case, all you have to do is take the denominator. Take the denominator, and to this denominator, you have to find the prime factors. You have to find the prime factors. 3, 1, 2, 5 का prime factors निकालेगा. And the prime factor should be, निकालेगा, yes, should be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Prime factor should be 2 power something. 2 कितने बार repeat हो रहा? 5 is repeating at certain times. It should only be 2 and 5. So in that case only it is terminating. Apart from 2 and 5, any other number came, like 2 came, 5 came, along with that 7 came. So it is not terminating. If it is, I'll write it here. If PF is Provident Fund, prime factors. If prime factors of DR, doctor, denominator. If the prime factors of denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then it is terminating. Then it is terminating. If the denominator terminating, where did I get this from? That guy. Sapne dekhna achhi baat hai. So the same way it is terminating. I'm not talking about the meme. I know where did you guys. What are you guys thinking of? Not that one, basic one. Right. So we have to find the prime factors of the denominator. So prime factors of the denominator we have to find, and if the prime factors of the denominator is in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. M and n are nothing but integers, variables, whatever it is. 2 is repeating from some 5 times, 2 is repeating some 3 times. So 2 power m, 5 power n, like that. So if the prime factors of the denominator is in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n, then we can call it a terminating decimal. Otherwise it is non-terminating. Chalo. शुरू करते हैं 2 में. It is ending with 5. So we can check in 5 table. 5 6 are 30, 1 remain, 5 2s are 10, 2 remain, 5 5s are 25. अरे it is 2 power m and 5 power n, or simple 5 power n, or alone simple 2 power m. This is also terminating. It is not compulsory that 2 and 5 combination. 2 and 5 combination should come, or only 2 should come, or only 5 should come. So in all these 3 cases it is terminating. Along with 2 and 5 any other number came, non-terminating. Along with 2, 3 came, non-terminating. Along with 5, 7 came, non-terminating. It should either be 2, 5, or only 2, or only 5. Then it is terminating. Otherwise it is non-terminating. So chaliye 625, 5, 5, yes, 125, 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. So the denominator is in the form of 5 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 power 5. Therefore, what do you write? It is terminating. But statement, the denominator is in the form of 5 power n. Hence, it is terminating. Terminating decimal. What is the second question? Fatapat, jaldi. 11 by 12. 11 by 12. We have to find the prime factors of denominator, which is 12. 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Right. What are the prime factors? 2 square into 3. Terminating, non-terminating? Non-terminating. What is the statement that you will write? The denominator is not in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m, or 2 power n, whatever variable you shift it according to your convenience, not a problem. So hence it is non-terminating. Third wala boliye. 64 by 455. Yes. Third one you can do. Third, fourth, simple. Those are simple only. Yes. Question number 6. In the question number 6, what is it given? 23 divided by 23 divided by 2 power 3 into 5 power. What is 5 power square? 5 power 2. Either it is 5 square or 5 power 2. 5 power square. Chalo, so yes, like this also it will come. So this, he is actually trying to be very nice to us. We have to find the prime factors. No, he already found whatever number it was. He already found the prime factors and he gave the prime factors. We need not to do anything. Prime factor is already in the form of 2 power n and 5 power n. So we have to thank him. So it is already terminating, because denominator is in the form of 2 power n, 5 power n, right? So it is terminating. Next, what is the next question? Yes. Now here in this question, understand here, this is quite tricky. In this question, this is quite tricky. What is this? Which is this bit? 8th. All right, chalo, right. 9 by 15. 9 by 15. We have to find the prime factors of 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 1 is 3. Terminating, non-terminating? Non-terminating, because we got 5 and 3. 5 and 3. What is it? Those who already completed? Terminating. धोखा दे दिया, ऐसा ही होगा. 9 by 15 can be written as 5 into 3. I'll tell you why is it terminating. You told that it is non-terminating, which is wrong. It is terminating. How is it terminating? Is because क्या रहना चाहिए? Either only 5 or only 2 या 2 and 5 का combination. अब इस what is stopping it from becoming terminating? 3 stopping. If we अगर 3 नहीं रहता था, if you do not have 3, then it would become terminating. So but this 3 and 9 can be cancelable. Whatever is there in the numerator, it is none of our business. We only have to look at the denominator. In the denominator, we either should have 5 or 2 or 5 combination, only 2 or only 5. So 5 is there, but along with that 3 is disturbing. So we have to get rid of this 3. Is there any chance which can be cancelled in the numerator? If it is there, cancel it out. 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So it is 3 by 5. Is it terminating or not? Terminating. This kind of questions, tricky question, will be asked for 2 marks and bits. So in all the previous problems where we check that the denominator is in the form of 2 and 5, and along with that another number is coming. For example, question number 7. Question number 7, it is 129 divided by, what is it? 2 power 2, 5 power 7 into 7 power 5, right? So in this question, it would have been terminating when we have 2, 5. But 7 is troubling us. We have to cancel this 7 with the numerator. 7 power 5 is something huge value. It won't be anywhere near to 129. So that's why I did not check is it cancelable or not. So after solving some examples, you'll easily get to know it is terminating. First of all, you have to understand the concept. These 3 terms you have to remember, and whenever it is along with 2, some other number is coming other than 5, along with 5 some other number is coming like 3, you have to check is that number cancelable with the numerator or not. If it is cancelable, then without looking here and there, you just have to strike it off. Clear?